All right, what's going on YouTube? Tim from AT Card Breaks back with another video. Today in front of us, we're doing a personal box of 2020-2021 Panini Mosaic Hobby Basketball. You get 15 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. You're going to find 5 silvers and 15 mosaics on average, and look out for the ultra rare inserts, including stained glass, straight fire, and more. There are the odds of everything. You only guaranteed 1 auto per box, which I think there should be 2, but it is what it is. I know I opened up a box of this last year on my own. Obviously, I didn't record it because I didn't think I'd actually get into this. But I pulled, let's see, a Jason Tatum 1 of 1, a Spencer Dinwiddie gold to 10, 3 Zion Williamson rookies, and a Cam Reddish auto. So overall, the box was really good. The price I got it for last year, I believe it was like $650. This year, this box is about $700. So yeah, it's expensive rip. It's very hit or miss. So hoping this box is a hit for us. Put that in the background, and we'll see what we can find. I had an extra box, so I figured I'd rip here and let's see what's going on. All right, we got Rajon Rondo, PJ Tucker with some glue on it, Paul Millsap, Marcus Smart, Terrence Ross, Horford. We got Pascal. Our first rookie, Devin Vassell for the Spurs. We got a debut of El Kongwu, rookie Mason Jones, Anthony Davis, and not a rookie, a Harrison Barnes, Kings, silver, McCall Bridges, red. We got SGA Montage, and center stage DeMar DeRozan. Nice looking cards as they were last year. DeMar DeRozan. All right, so we got our base pile, our rookie pile, and our insert pile. I'll put, yeah, alrighty. So, not much happening in pack number 1. Van Vliet, Sabonis, JJJ, Jason Tatum, Christian Wood, Derrick Rose, Harrison Barnes. Got a Malachi Flynn rookie, Aaron Naismith, debut rookie, Zeke Naji for the Nuggets rookie. Well, that's not bad. Emmanuel Quickly, silver, rookie, debut for the Knicks. We got Dragic for the Heat, Tyrese Maxey, blue chip rookies, and a Kevin Durant Men of Mastery insert. I mean, really you're looking for a numbered rookie or a really solid autograph. Looks like we got maybe a color in there, maybe. Jamal Murray, Bazemore, Jordan Clarkson, Cam Reddish, Bryant, Julius Randle, Culver. We got all-time greats, Magic Johnson. We got a Pogashevsky, rookie, base. Paul George, Team Pride. Got a LeBron James, Finals MVP. Duncan Robinson, Mosaic. And behind that, a Draymond Green. Looks to be a pink. We'll go through these last 2 cards. RJ Barrett and Sadiq Bey. Blue chips. It's a rookie. This Draymond Green might be numbered. It is 8 of 49. Draymond Green. Not bad. Numbered pile. Sleeve up. Sadiq Bey Mosaic. All right, here we go. Zubich, Peyton, Bazemore, Walker, DeRozan, Anobi, Richardson. There's a Tyrese Halliburton, rookie debut. Isaiah Joe, rookie. Jerry West. Desmond Bain for the Grizz, rookie. Kyle Anderson, Mosaic. Dennis Schroeder, red Mosaic. Kristaps Porzingis, Montage. And Overdrive, Kawhi Leonard. Nice card. Cool insert. I'm trying to think. Also in that box I pulled from last year, I pulled a Russell Westbrook stained glass, which I ended up getting graded, and it came back at 10. So very happy about that. Let's see. Duncan Robinson, Ricky Rubio, Bagley, Embiid, Green Adams. Got a Peyton Pritchard debut. Patrick Williams, rookie. James Wiseman, National Pride. Kevin Durant, Finals MVP, Mosaic. Dame Lillard, red. Stairmasters, Anthony Davis, and a Ja Morant montage. So halfway through, no Ant-Man, no LaMelo, no Curry. Got one LeBron, one numbered card, no auto yet. So looks like we have another color in there, maybe something. Let's see. Sexton, Wiggins, Kuzma, Keldon Johnson, Onik, Plumlee. There's a Steph Curry. And speak him into existence. There's a base, Anthony Edwards. We will take that one. The Ant-Man. All right. We got Tracy McGrady, all-time greats. Okongwu. Oh, we do have our auto in here, so we will put that to the side. We'll open that one last. All right. Got Paul George, Carter Jr., Dembuya, Luka Doncic, Evan Fournier, D'Angelo Russell, Poeltl. You got a Devin Vassell, debut rookie. Paul Reed, rookie for the 76ers. Jason Tatum, National Pride. And a Sam Merrill, rookie for the Bucks. Cam Reddish, silver. And Darius Bazley, red. LeBron James, Men of Mastery. And center stage, Luka Doncic. Trae Young, Burtons, Barrett, Brogdon, Chris Middleton, Eric Gordon, Tristan Thompson, Mitchell Robinson. Got an Obi Toppin, NBA debut, rookie. Jaden McDaniels, rookie. Allen Iverson, all-time greats. Got a Reggie Perry, silver rookie for the Nets from Mississippi State. Got a nice Trae Young, red, Mosaic, nice one there. Color match for the Hawks. Kevin Durant, Stairmasters, and Luka Doncic, montage. All right, 2 packs left. Yeah, it looks like blue. Danny Green, Ja Morant, Curry, Trent Jr., Tobias Harris, Kyle Anderson, Mikal Bridges. We have a Josh Green rookie for the Mavs. Tyrese Maxey, rookie, National Pride. Kevin Durant, Finals MVP. Nice Cole Anthony debut. Colin Sexton. And let's have this be a rookie. It's not. It's Fred VanVleet, blue. We got James Wiseman, blue chips, and introductions, Isaac Okoro on the back. So we will sleeve up the Isaac Okoro introductions, and the Fred VanVleet is 17 of 99. All right, guys, last pack. Draymond Green, Dante DiVincenzo, Siakam, Washington, Schroeder, Basley, Kennard. Got an Obi Toppin base rookie. Tony Parker, all-time greats. Precious, rookie base. Tyrese Maxey, debut. McCall Bridges, Mosaic. Luke Kennard, red Mosaic. Lillard, Man of Mastery. And nice, Jason Tatum, Overdrive for the Celtics. Oh boy. All right, so I guess we'll go from the back here. Grab these. Let's see, we got a CJ McCollum montage Mosaic. Introductions, Obi Toppin. Only a few cards left here. We got our auto, and we have a silver. Jeff Teague for the Bucks. All right, we're going to go with this back card first before our auto. I don't know what it is. It is LeBron James. Is that black? Don't even say that's a black. Oh, let's go. Let's go. LeBron James. 1 of 1. My luck with Mosaic is stupid. Boom. LeBron James black Mosaic. 1 of 1. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Just gonna grab a one touch. Wow. Wow. I cannot believe I just pulled that card. Holy cow. Ooh. Wow. Jason Tatum last year, LeBron James this year. My goodness. That saved the box. Because otherwise it was nothing. Although we haven't revealed the autograph yet, so maybe I do have a really good auto, but I gotta fix it. Come on. I like putting a sleeve on top of the card to protect it from the one touch, just in case. There we go. Boom. LeBron James, black Mosaic, 1 of 1. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Let's get to our auto here. Kongwu is showing. Sterling Brown. Autographs for the Rockets. Mosaic, not a rookie. Just it's like a base, I guess. Base autograph, so. All right. Well, I guess I'll do a quick little recap here. We did get some cool inserts, that's for sure. The center stage is a definite favorite of mine. Overdrive is really cool too. Trying to just go through these real quick. All right, so here are the cool inserts. We got DeRozan, center stage, Kawhi Leonard, overdrive, Luka Doncic, center stage, Trae Young, red, and the Jason Tatum, overdrive. Unfortunately, no LaMelo Ball rookies. I got a Okoro, Wiseman, got the Reggie Perry silver, Toppin. I got the Anthony Edwards, which was nice. Blue chip Sadiq Bey, Mosaic, silver Emmanuel Quickly, debut. We got our subpar autograph, as usual, from Mosaic, Sterling Brown. We got Fred VanVleet, blue, and Draymond Green, pink or purple. And then obviously it saved us is a LeBron James 1/1 black mosaic. Yep. All right, guys. So that'll do it. Thanks for checking out the personal rip here. And yeah, hope to catch you guys next time. Don't forget we have breaks on our eBay page, loading up every week. So that's exciting stuff. Be sure to check those out, get some steals, and I'll catch you guys next time.